And we're back.
I can't even look. I actually can't look.
Okay, today we're finally starting the drift car somewhat. And the first step is I was thinking that while we don't have an engine or anything in the car, it'd be the best to start painting this thing, since I have paint fresh in my mind after painting the wagon. If you haven't watched the wagon series, go watch the wagon series. You can find it link in bio.
Keep going, keep going.
So first, tonight, I don't know if we're gonna start doing much, but I want to get like prepped. So we're gonna kind of get all the debris from on top of the car, get all the debris off. We're gonna get the hood off. I was gonna see, because I don't remember what I have in the engine bay itself. Maybe some wires. So we'll see if anything has to come off now. But yeah, that's what we're gonna start doing now. So guys, comment what color you think I'm gonna paint the engine bay.
Okay. Okay, engagement.
Guys,
Come on,
comment down below
engagement.
what you think I'm gonna color the engine bay.
Okay, wait, guys. So, okay, guys, wait. Okay, guys.
Wait,
So,
one more time,
wait, guys. Listen,
it's
listen to
time.
this though. 30 likes and he will shave this and this. 30 likes and he'll shave it all.
And if this video gets 10,000 likes, guys, 10,000 likes. Alright, so I got about half of the engine bay wire wheeled and sanded down. Now I'm gonna get to the other half. Half and half, basically, is what we're looking at. You can kind of get more too of this, what the color was before. Now I'll get to this half. And I would keep recording I'll try and record a little bit maybe. It's kind of boring to watch and it gets really, really dusty, so I'm not trying to get the camera all dusty and dirty. But I'll update on the next update. Whole engine bay sanded down for the most part. It's not the best, obviously, but it should do for what we want it to be as a drift car. So I just got some stuff covered up with towels. I'm gonna spray that on it and I spray the primer. And then we'll come back and spray the mystery color that we're gonna paint it. It took a while and my back hurts, so this is about the best it's gonna get. I think it's pretty good. Alright, now I got the car all taped up, and now we're just about to primer all the stuff that we wire wheeled and everything for the engine bay so I can get it ready for the paint color. just got the second coat done. Looking way better than it did before to me. I think the white looks way better. It's gonna match with the color of the car that I want once we're finished. Guys, today we're painting the engine bay the color. And if you guess what color we're gonna paint it and you guess white, then you're correct. Whoa, what? Yeah, that's right, we're painting it white. Just because I think it'll look really nice with the color that we're gonna actually paint the car. So guys, come along guys.
Me too. Good job, Benjamin.
Now we have finished the engine bay. I'm sure it could have been for all the car YouTube mechanic experts. I'm calling out you. I'm sure it could have been better. I'm sure there's stuff we could have done differently. But I think it's perfect for how we want it and for our drift setup. Just to be kind of nice, not show car. When we get something crazy, or like when we get like a really nice S13, then we'll obviously do it like different ways. But I think for our track drift build, this will be pretty nice. You know, if you want to comment and say different things that we could have done, it's accepted. But we don't need the mechanic experts. Remember the last video for the wagon, I said one hate comment only, and that's the only one I'll allow. Same for this video, guys. One hate comment that will be allowed. The other ones gone, blocked. One-way ticket to Blocksville. But this was kind of like a filler video, filler episode, while we wait for things to come in that we can do to this. And then at the end of this video, we're gonna add clips from went to final bout in West 1 in Wisconsin. And we'll put clips of that in. I recorded a couple clips from there. And then we'll throw those in, edited kind of little videos. It'll just be a filler episode. Thank you for watching and subscribing and liking. And we appreciate any support. Cash App in the... Okay, and now we will send it to final bout.